guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair tutorial similar to the hair tutorial I previously posted. That one was sort of a fancier way to wear your hair in a bun. I will link it down below. The tutorial is sort of a quick, I'll explain the steps at the beginning and then I'll sort of fast forward throughout the video so you kind of just get an idea of what I'm doing. When I was looking for hair crimpers online, I could not find any that were drugstore, so it was really important for me to go out there, try a few. The one that stuck with me the most is this Revlon. So it's their Revlon Copper Pro one. It's really cool because it's adjustable. So it has like the first length is super tight crink. Is that even a whatever. The second is medium, and then the third is the highest, which will make your curl the loosest, which is what we did today. Another tool that I use for this hair style is a straightener, and the last thing you guys need is some mousse. I just grabbed the Pantene Mousse Volume. I figured if you guys did want to run out and get the crimper, might as well show you a mousse that works well. Also drugstore, kind of a one shop stop, if you will. Anyways, if you want to see how I got this hair, then just keep watching. So first thing I'm gonna do, put up half my hair. I'm just gonna grab a section, that might be a little big, probably about like that, a couple inches, and then you're always gonna want the back of this towards your head. So I'm going to start up as high up to the root as I can, and then kind of just leave it there. And then you're going to slowly go down until you reach the ends of your hair. I also don't like to bring curl all the way down to the very edge. I like to leave about an inch out. Do that, you can start again. Just grab another about an inch. As you can see, I'm kind of lifting the hair up when I go down, so kind of like pushing it up. Just that way you can get the wave to go seamlessly, and it's not kind of, I mean, not all of them are going to look like that, but do your best. And it might look crazy until you get the mousse in there. Pretty much keep repeating this, and I'll fast forward so you guys can kind of see, like, the more you do it, the more strands you do, the more practice you have, so the better off they're going to turn out. So I'm going to keep doing this, and I will see you guys once I'm closer to the top. Next, you just have to get your front part down. However you part your hair, for this look I tend to like to do it a little bit more off to the side. And again, try to get it as close to the skull. Pretty much just want to hold each one for about 30 seconds. I'm just kind of going to do the bottom, I'll do that quick, and then I'll come back when I'm closer to the front pieces. Top, I like to do really thick pieces because I've tried it before where I've done smaller pieces and it kind of just looks like, I mean, the mousse does help, but it's a bit crazy. So for the front pieces, it's a lot shorter, like the time it takes, because I am going in with a lot more hair. And then again, I'm just trying to get as close to the skull as I can. And then from there, working your way down and so on. I'd also like to say, like, for this one, how I didn't leave as much out as I wanted to. I'll show you guys how to fix that at the end. Basically what I'm going to do is I like to keep the ends straight. So I'm just going to go over any of the ends. Especially like near the front here, because you don't want it crimped all the way down. It just adds way too much volume. What I was trying to explain to you guys earlier is the top. So you don't want it to be like super crimped up at the top where it kind of looks like you had your hair up in a ponytail and then left it. So you kind of just want to go over very lightly just the front pieces of your hair as close to the root as you can, kind of downward motions over here as well. It gets rid of that line and just makes it look more seamless. Mousse, so I'm just using the Pantene Mousse Volume, Boost Body Fullness and Lift. So I'm gonna pretty much just put, okay, I just broke it. So start with said amount, rub it around, and then bring it through your hair. And I'll show you sort of like a side comparison difference once you get the mousse in. The Pantene one actually smells really good. Just kind of tames it like. Well guys, this is it. This is the tutorial. I like to tuck one area behind my ear. Might fiddle with it a little bit more, but that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Again, drugstore, this is the Revlon, and whatever hair straightener you have, some mousse, a hairbrush, and a hair tie, and you guys are set. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below of what you would like me to do next. I love hearing your guys' ideas. I feel like it helps me a lot with sort of where you want this channel to go. Another hair tutorial will be coming very soon on how I curl my hair using a wand. But until then, I will see you guys later. Bye.